All right, we are live. Happy Tuesday, everyone. We are here again in our episode of Never Give Up Your Dreams and Be the Doer of Your Dreams, together with my business partner, Didet. Hi, how are you, Det?
I'm good, thank you, Michelle. How are you?
Well, not so bad, but busy week, busy Monday. There's so much work to do.
Yeah. By the way, it's not Monday; it's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, but busy week since
Oh
Monday.
yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do in my business, and of course home chores also. There's so much thing,
I
but
know.
anyway, we are here. We try
Yeah.
to do our best of coping up everything, right?
BC is good.
So yeah, so today we are going to share about um, why support from other fuels our perseverance. But before that, we would love to do a short introduction about ourselves. So
Mhm.
my name is Michelle Hoog. I am currently residing here in Spain, and
You just
like Edith, we are from Philippines, and we are digital business owners. Not only for a year, but for 3 years now, and I guess Edith was also more than 3 years, right? That
Yes, correct. Sorry, I had to close the window because it's so loud outside. I'm not sure if you can hear it. There's
oh,
some
okay.
construction going on. Um.
Not it's good. You're
Okay.
doing great with your signals. Okay.
Okay. That's good.
All right. So, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Didith. I'm from Toronto, originally from the Philippines, and I've been doing this business for 4 years now, and this chat for over a year. And yeah, and I'm enjoying the business. I'm enjoying doing the chat with Michelle, and everything is good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
This is life. This is our business. As a business owners, there's so much thing, especially if we are now growing in the business. So there's so much thing to do, like a CEO of your own business. But I enjoy a lot the journey together with Didit and other business partners also.
Yeah.
So today we would love to share about it on why support from other fuels our perseverance. So we all know that we have a huge community. So we always repeatedly um, shared it here online that we have a, a mega community, a mega community, a huge community that um, you need to extend your uh, to connect with these people in order to you can ask sometimes support from everyone.
Yeah.
So when we notice that everyone we encouraging the words, sharing the encouraging words or helping hand, and it make all the difference, right? That we are facing sometimes challenges, but support from one another is a big help for every one of us that refuel our perseverance. First thing first is we encourage our motivation. The encouragement and motivation of everyone. So we believe that every one of us we have our own goal, our own dreams on how we can reach that dream. So in order to boost your confidence, every business in our group, especially in our group, we in sending encouragement and motivations. So, like for example, we say you can do it. No, you when you feel someone was telling you you can do it, it's just like you reignite your motivation. That
Mhm.
keep reminding us that why we started this business in the first place, right? Why you want this business. So when that keeping you remind or keeping reminding you, then you can get more to boost more confidence to stay in the business and go ahead for the dreams that you have. For me, that is the first thing first that I am in this business, and I'm so grateful that for 3 years, as we titled our episode, "Never Give Up Your Dreams and Be the
Yeah.
Doer of Dreams," David and I we support so much in this business,
Mhm.
and I'm so grateful that I met Didit
Yes, me
through
too.
this online business, and Sometimes when I was weak, Didit was there. And when Didit was also thinking something, I am there. Hey, don't think about it. It's
Yeah.
sometimes it's funny, but it's really kind of part of our journey, right?
Mhm.
Part of our journey. That's why we can say we can do it. We can do it. Yeah, we can do it. So sometimes we also share wisdom, right?
Mhm.
So learning from our experience from others who always share their stories every week. There's some people share how they've been started in the business and how help to avoid mistakes sometimes because we cannot avoid it, right? But we learn from that
Mhm.
mistakes, and giving advice for everyone is can provide us new perspective. And also we found the solution, right? We consider that these people have a suggestion, have sharing new ideas, and
Mhm.
that ideas we can apply. Maybe some ideas may not work for me or not work with did it, but we state it like an example to continue our journey. And what I love about this also of why support from other fuels or perseverance, number one also is the emotional support,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
um, yeah, I feel that's so good with these people inside our community, especially in we are in tough times, you know, having someone to communicate with or consider to talk sometimes, even though you never meet uh, personally in line. We never meet personally, but virtually you know each other for 3 years. We
Mhm.
were incredibly like comforting each other, right? Right then?
Yeah. It's not just about business, it's more about personal also. Like we
Yeah,
are.
and
Yeah.
and we help us to stay resilient
Mhm.
and pushing forward, to keep pushing forward. And I'm so grateful that they are there always.
Mhm.
I guess we developed a great mindset on how to become a great mentor and coach in this business as we have the training, and that training serve us also how we can be stay
Mhm.
stay strong and how to be a good leader,
Mhm.
right? I'm so grateful also that I found accountabilities.
Mhm.
Wow, it's nice. Did and I we started that
Yeah.
since we joined the business, right? That
Correct. Yeah.
and
We help each other.
sometimes this episode we are doing this 122 episode. That's a long way. Beside of this, we have so many episodes. Didit and I involved in that episode that we never counted,
Mhm.
and it's keeping us to stay committed and follow through our plans, follow through our desire of what we wanted to be in this business.
Yeah.
And I am so grateful also that we celebrate every success. And I'm
Correct.
so congratulations we did it because you kept growing in the business too, right?
Thank you.
No matter how small, no matter how fun, we have people to share
Mhm.
them with their wins, share
Yes. Mhm.
what they have been excited about the business. And we knowing it that this make us inspire, right? This makes us
Yeah.
to aim more, even higher in our business. And you know, so much thing, so much thing of keeping you more perseverance.
Mhm.
Last other day, I do the go live, and I told you that when you wanna be successful, you need to be surrounded with these people. You don't need to be quiet. Not only that you're already there, you started, but you didn't make any move. So if you didn't make any move or action of doing it, I guess it's different way on how you define a supportive community,
Mhm.
right? But for me, I'm so grateful that I found this community because every time that I have problem, I can run into it. I can communicate any of these ladies who accountability of mine, and we keep asking, right?
Mhm.
We keep um, knowing what's our problem, what's how we can do this, how we can, or my problem, right? So it's really great. I'm so grateful about it.
Mhm.
Right there.
Correct. Yeah. Yes. Um, yeah. So I think that's one reason also that I am still in this business because of the community, that's a supportive community, and the business partners that I am surrounded with. We don't know each other before, we only know from this business, and we get along and we help each other through our business, and helping each other also, not just business, the work, but also helping us, like, support, like,
Yeah.
mentally, and yeah, like, we give each other support, right?
Mm.
So for me, the supportive, it really helps to have a supportive community, because if you know someone that believes you, it helps you, or it's easy to focus and persist whatever the challenges, right? And we know that every like you're not alone, like everybody feel the same way, started the same way, they also struggle, or they also have that, those problems, or no, I would not say problems, challenges, I would say challenges, because every business partner is every business, whatever kind of business, you always have challenges, right? And
Mm.
in this community, it's easy to for us to handle, because we can reach out to anybody, not just the people that we know, but the other people that we don't know. They can
Mhm.
give us advice. The connection within our community is very strong. I would say that is also helping us to persevere. People that's been in the business for so long, they share their knowledge, their experience, their mistakes, and they're teaching us how to, to do our business, so that we don't follow what the mistakes that they have done. So sharing that really helps you move forward and continue to do it, because you know that there is always someone there that you know help us. Um also accountability, just like you and me and Michelle, uh we are accountable partners, and sometimes I have to push myself, because I don't want to I don't want to what do you call this one, I don't want you to I feel like if I don't go for push myself, I feel like I'm going to let you down, and not just you letting down, I'm letting down myself. So someone's there, checking you out, encouraging you,
Yeah.
really helps you to push forward, and in a friendly way. It's not like uh, someone like a teacher that telling you what to do. It's more like a support system that we have. It's like it's your business, it's my business. You do the way you would do, and I do the way I do. But we are there to support. We don't judge each other, and then if there's something we need to change, then we learn from each other.
Yeah.
So that's one thing that I love about it. And I continue to be here, because I never seen any business or anything that has support that I have in this community, hands on or in the like online support.
Yeah, for me, I have another thing that I would love to share about of supporting the community. Sometimes we need to be resourceful
Mm-hmm.
because we have a training and we have already there. Sometimes we need some clarification and we can reach out to our business partners and
Mm-hmm.
ask for it. But being resourceful as a business owner, it is your part, right? You don't need to, you wanted success. You
Yeah.
want success. So being resourceful, looking what is good for your business. For example, you need to plan a week. What I'm going to do this week. So for me, in the first year that I'm in the business, it's really hard for me to doing it. But
Mm-hmm.
later on, I was managing my time through the sharing of our coaches, especially in our coaches in our group, or
Group.
in
Yeah.
our in different groups. So they are sharing, and you can have that idea, you
Mm-hmm.
can share that, you can implement that, and it really works,
Yeah.
right? It really works. It's just like you're playing a game, how to be a successful.
Mm-hmm.
You're doing it, you're testing your, if it didn't work, then go to other one, right? So you have options. But as I said, if you want to be successful, when you put up your business, think about it. You need to put that work.
Mm-hmm.
Don't think that you cannot manage, because you know how to learn, you know how to um, you know look for something that which is great for your business. So it is depends as a person, right? But the community, our community is the best,
Mm-hmm.
with integrity, with emotional support. Everyone was there, and you will be inspired. You
Yeah.
will be inspired, and like as I am, um, inspired with the other people who sharing their story. So I guess that's all we can share, right then.
Yeah, I think we've said it all. And it is, I think it is more fun to be around with positive people. Hi, Merly. Thank you
Hi,
for
Marley. Thank you for watching.
yeah. I think it's more fun, it's more enjoyable if you are part of a supportive community because you don't feel alone,
Yeah.
right? And it's fun to do the business.
Hmm. Yeah.
I think that's
So tonight we have everyone who are watching us, and if you have some questions about the business, you can direct message us, either me or Didit, and we would love to help you on how you can set up also your own business if you are interested. So tonight we have webinar. You are invited to watch the webinar. If you cannot watch the live, there is a replay available.
mhm.
So every Tuesday and Thursday, we're doing that live 5 p.m. PST time. So catch it. And if you have some questions about it, connect with us, and we are here to help you. So I guess that's our episode 122.
22.
More to come.
Yes.
Yeah, and never give up to your dreams, and be the doer of your dreams. You never give up. You need to work on it. Keep moving forward, as you said. So
Yes.
thank you, that.
Thank you, Michelle, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone, to those who are watching. Thank you, and thank you, Marley, for watching. Bye, everyone.
Bye.